Hey YouTube, my name is Nita. This is my new YouTube channel, and
what we doing around? What's this for?
excuse me, I'm trying to make a video.
I'm trying to get my glass.
I'm trying to make, I'm trying to, what are you drinking? So you might as well just sit down so I can tell you what my videos is about.
I might as well.
Yeah, you might as well.
I might as well.
So we're going to talk about random thoughts, things that, wow, my glasses was crooked. Did you see that? So, we're here to talk about random thoughts.
You said that.
It's okay. You're so intrusive, I can't even keep track of what I'm saying.
Not intrusive. That's a big word. Intrusive. Intrusive.
That's you. Okay, anyway. So let's get into these random thoughts. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Okay. So let me tell you a random thought. So you ever have a piece of food, like anything, piece of candy, food, whatever, and that last piece falls on the floor? So for example, Captain Crunch. No. Yes, I said Captain Crunch.
I said no Captain Crunch.
We're gonna talk Captain Crunch.
What about like that nasty?
So you got a bowl of Captain Crunch. This is the bowl, okay? And you're eating. Come on, eat some.
I know you ain't getting none.
Okay, eat it. It's good.
Rest magically, but it's not even the right cereal. Probably.
Okay, but is it good?
It's delicious.
And then,
oh Lord Jesus. Lord.
Boom, people. That's what I'm talking about.
What?
Are you using my dish rag? Yes. It's for dishes.
You can clean tears too. Wait. No. The thugs don't have peels.
The Captain Crunch on the floor. Random thoughts, people. Just random thoughts.
Just we gotta do it like that.
Anyway, people, I'm Nita.
And I'm Tay.
Thanks for
I ain't
watching.
got no cereal.
Thanks for watching, people. Till our next random thought. Bye-bye now.